Breastfeeding mothers have been babying me with lots of questions about when is the right time to wean their baby off the breast and how old should the baby be. Well, again, this is not my decision or your baby's healthcare provider's decision. It's a personal decision between you as the breastfeeding mother and your baby. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends that moms breastfeed their babies at least through the first year of life, but introduce solids around 6 months of age. And as solids take up more and more of your baby and toddler's diet, you tend to produce less breast milk naturally. So it actually is easier to wean your baby off of breast milk after a year of age than it is before a year of age. So what's the best way to do this? Well, the best way is to do it gradually. For example, start by removing one breastfeed a day and just hold there for several days. And distract your child during that time. Take them somewhere where they wouldn't otherwise be breastfeeding, do a fun activity. Then several days later, remove another feed, and several days later, another feed, perhaps leaving the night feed as the last feed to go. If your child is thirsty, rather than offer them the breast, now you can offer them as a toddler whole milk between the ages of 1 and 2 in a cup or a bottle, or 2% milk after the age of 2. Never decide to wean your baby or your toddler off of breastfeeding when something stressful is going to happen in their life, such as moving your toddler to a new room or moving them from a crib to a bed. Moms also ask me if they're breastfeeding, how far out can they go? Is there an uppermost age where they can continue to breastfeed? Again, that's a personal decision, but my recommendation is if a breastfeeding mom or their child are starting to feel uncomfortable, that may be the time to consider weaning. So that hopefully tips like this will feed you just the right information you need when it comes to knowing a little bit more about what you should do if you're a breastfeeding mom and you want to wean your toddler from the breast. This is pediatrician Dr. Lewis First from Vermont Children's Hospital of Fletcher, reminding you to always be first with your kids.